How do? Welcome to Mind Your Education, where I politely take a sledgehammer to the nonsense floating around the health and fitness industry. Okay, so this series is for anyone who's ever wondered, do I really need to bounce around my living room? Do I have to do the bro split to get strong? And are carbs actually making me fat? Every fortnight, I'll be diving into some of the most argued, overcomplicated, and flat out ridiculous topics in the health and fitness industry, with the sole aim of helping you make actual sense of it all. No more nonsense preaching, conflicting advice, and industry bullshit. This is education, but with sarcasm, no fluffiness, and actual useful, usable information. Hit subscribe because that's what the algorithm gods want. And if there's a specific topic you'd like me to absolutely tear apart, drop it in the comments and I'll add it to the never ending growing hit list. Now, let's start minding your education. Bush!